quiet train of clouds drifting over Bhalukpung. Morning folds its pale gold shawl around our shoulders. Mist on the river, like breath in cup hands. Stones lying still, as if they remember our names. First day of the year by the river, time sits down beside our feet. Laughter on the cold stone bed, steam rising from the pots we keep. First day of the year, Bhalukpong, sky like an unwritten song. Stay, my friend, in this small sunlight, stay just a little long. We scattered our sandals at the river's sleepy edge. Bare feet test the water sharp, and then kind. A kingfisher stitches blue threads across the air. Your joke breaks the silence into 1,000 bright wings. First day of the year by the river, time sits down beside our feet. Laughter on the cold stone bed, steam rising from the pots we keep. Rice rinsed in silver water, lentils humming in the pan, chilies crackle shy and brave. Oil carrying their story, smoke curls over pebbles like a slow, patient prayer. Your hand stirs the pot as if blessing each grave. Oh, simple sun, resting lightly on our shoulders. Oh, gentle wind, turning pages of this day. If this is all the year becomes steam, salt, shared plates, soft stones, let every month be born from this first mouthful of joy. River sliding past unhurried, unconcerned. We lean back on the stone bed, heads close, words few. Somewhere behind the hills, the coming days assemble. Today walks ahead of them, smile.